question.
I get that music back on. It
it's
didn't
still playing.
stop. Whoa.
Okay, so I would don't do the first. The first one's gonna be the cheapest, but it's
Yeah.
gonna be the worst. The 2600 with 1660 Super is going to be
boy.
the best.
Oh boy.
Ooh.
Hey man, sub for 3 months in a row. Thank you so much. Oh, you sub for tier 1 for 3 months in advance. Wow, that's
do
pretty
that?
poggers. I didn't know you could do
Well,
that.
just auto like.
Yeah, it auto redoes for 3 months.
never do
Poggers,
that.
dude. Thank you.
I really hope that. I'm wondering, will that give you just one? 10,000?
I think it'll give you ones.
And then it'll give
Yeah.
you the each time, you know.
Yeah, I don't know. Streamlabs.
You should have enough for the giveaway. That's what's important.
Hey, Max, my dude. Thank you so much, man. Appreciate it very much. I don't know how much, but I'll be back.
Nitrous
I'm
is
the
the
conductor.
conductor.
You are.
Nice.
All right, let's look at this, guys. So Black Friday Newegg deals. So I've noticed that there's going to be deals on laptops, which, as we mentioned in our video that's going to go live on the channel, that's one of the things that definitely goes on sale.
And definitely anything that's last generation, like anything that, like this one has a 10th gen i5. Well, guess
Yep.
what? 11th gen is, I think, is it out yet or is it coming out?
There are some 11 gen ones
So,
out, so
there you go, 10th gen. 10th gen's good
Yeah.
though. I saw some at Walmart the other day. They actually have a bunch of 10th gen laptops there, and
So
I
this
was
is
tempted
the
to get one.
MSI Modern 15 for $600. It is just like an Ultrabook. It just comes with like a i5 10th gen.
No GPU.
No GPU. So I mean, $600 is kind of pricey, but it's one of those thin and lights. You know, people
For
sell
productivity,
for that.
that'd be good.
Yeah, this one right here is a ABS Gladiator PC with a i7 10700F with a 2070 Super for $1,200. That's not
actually
that
a
bad.
Pretty decent deal.
That's a pretty. Let me see if it might not be there now. Oh, actually, it is out of stock currently.
not available, yeah.
So this might be something they come back with, or they're already out right now.
Even dual channel RAM.
But I
Oof.
mean, that's not that bad. We have not checked out these ABS pre-builts before, but for the money, this is where you can save the money, guys. Is pre-builts, TVs. We got a TV here. I don't pay that much for a
Why is
TV,
it so
but
much?
there you go. HP Pavilion. This one comes with the 1650 Ti i5. This was one that I saw on Walmart. I sent it in Slack. There was one for $500 that had I think it was a 1650 with a lower i5 8th gen driver.
I forgot. I haven't seen that in so long. That was a weird.
Thank you.
I appreciate. Who was that?
Upgrade help.
Sir, it's
$15.
$15, sir. It's
Oh my gosh.
If I get my hands on a 1600 XT towards the release, I'm giving my little brother an upgrade he'll never forget. Oh, I like
Nice.
that, dude. Good luck
That's
with
like
that.
the biggest donation we've gotten in like a long
Thank
time.
you for
I
the
feel like.
$15 donation. Appreciate it.
I didn't even notice. Hey, thank you for the 1 bit and the 38 bits and the 16 bits.
Thank you for all the biddies. I appreciate
Yeah.
it, man. But yeah, there's been some good deals on I know HP laptops go on sale a lot. And look, another laptop deal. This one's gonna be $1149. This one has a 2060 with an i7, 16 gigs of RAM.
144 hertz display.
It's not a bad price for $1,000. That's kind of what you expect. Another ABS Master. This one is it's the same one, but it's back in stock apparently. It might be out of stock again, but there you go. Aegis, MSI Aegis. This one is sold out apparently, but they may come back in stock. Oh, this one was $1,270. This is a good deal. $1,270 with an i7 it's a 9700F, but it comes with an RTX 2080 and a 1TB SSD for $1,200. That's not that bad. It is sold out though.
I like how it adds the updates.
But yeah, those are like just generic like Black Friday deals that are going on. Of course, we'll probably be tweeting some out on our deal page, Toasty Deals.
Yes.
But Black Friday again, it's just kind of general rule of thumb that you're probably going to save money on laptops, pre-builts, desktops. Don't expect to save a ton of money on your like graphics cards, your CPUs, RAM, motherboards. You might get some discounts on storage, but that's just a general thing to consider. Thank you for the bait. You guys are just throwing money at us.
I know, I appreciate it.
Throwing all this money.
Does Newegg do international shipping? They actually, if you look up Newegg Newegg International, it'll actually pop up with where they ship to, and where the locations that they ship from are. So yes, they do.
I bought the
For the
case
1B.
from your $450 budget PC, but I was gifted one I prefer, so now I just have a PC sitting in the corner. I mean, you could always sell it in your local market if you want to get a quick buck.
Y'all saw